right, y'all, so you see we had so much chicken, I have to split it into two containers here. So we're gonna go ahead and season it with some garlic powder first. And actually this is in no particular order, I just happen to have the garlic powder in my hand of the things that I got out of the cabinet. So garlic powder. So we're gonna season this with garlic powder, onion powder, and some cayenne pepper. Maybe a little bit of seasoned salt, maybe. We'll see. Oh no, this onion powder, the holes are stuck. So we're just gonna go with the larger section. And we're gonna, let me get a little bit of seasoned salt. Let me see what all's in here. Yeah, that's fine. We'll put a little seasoned salt on there. All right, y'all, I seasoned both dishes of chicken. This is all the peppers and onions I have. When I went to Walmart today, they were out of this, and I forgot to get some from Publix when I went there. So we're just gonna have to make do with this. Pretty sketchy, but we're gonna make do with that. So what we're gonna do with this, I'm gonna cover it with some aluminum foil, and I'm gonna place it in the refrigerator, let it marinate. Now, as this cooks, at one point in the cooking process, I'm gonna add some of this cream of chicken soup to it. It's gonna be all creamy, it's gonna be great, and that liquid is gonna be a great, sort of like gravy for the dressing. So we're gonna go ahead and wrap these bad boys up and put them in the refrigerator. And because we don't have any oven space right now, we got our cornbread in there and our sweet potatoes for the sweet potato pie. Okay, y'all, so here's where we are. This is one pan of the chicken. So it's time for me to add the cream of chicken soup mixed with 1 can of water. But first I want to show you this over here. Look here. 1 pan of the dressing is ready. That small pan is good to go. And the green beans are still over here cooking. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and add this cream of chicken to this chicken. Now, I thought about draining this fat off. If you take a look here, see that fat? But then I thought, that's flavor, probably. I think, yeah, that's flavor. Much like that, those turkey necks are providing flavor to the green beans. That's providing flavor. That fat from that chicken is providing flavor, will provide flavor. So I'll just leave it. All right. We got this soup here. 1 can of soup, 1 can of water. Y'all can't see what's going on, can you? I don't know. So I'm gonna just pour this over here. It doesn't look thick at all. Well, we're gonna see what it does. I'm gonna open this other can of cream of chicken. Because that is pretty thin. I would like for it to be thicker than that. Y'all bear with me. We'll be back. All right, I'm back. I have another can of cream of chicken soup. I'm gonna add that to what we had left with that first can of soup and can of water. So mix that. I like it to be a little bit thicker. I don't know how that's going to incorporate though. Let's just do this. Try trying to get some on each piece of chicken. All right, so we'll leave it like that, and we're gonna pop it back in the oven. Let's see, uncovered. All right, guys, I'll let you know how it turns out. All right, y'all, just took this second pan of chicken out. The chicken is still pretty pale, but I'm gonna use the meat thermometer here and check to see if it's done. Let's see here. It's going past 140. Going. I'm gonna get 160, buddy. Let's see here. It's right at, it's like at 161. So I'll let it cook a few more minutes. Whoops, look at that. I have the thing coming out the other end. Of course, it's not gonna read correctly. You gotta keep it inside the chicken. Gotta keep it in the chicken. Okay, let's see what it reads now. Oh yeah, okay. All right, let's do another one here and let's do it properly. Keep it inside the chicken. Don't want the tip of that thermometer coming out. Okay, yeah, we're good to go. All right, so I took it out sooner than the 15 minutes I had set the timer for. Whew. Yes, I can see the end of the tunnel, and it's not a train. It's not a train. All right, so instead of putting this in that aluminum pan, I'm just gonna transfer these over to this pan over here, like so. And these, again, in case you weren't here for the beginning or missed the first video, these are chicken thighs and chicken legs, drumsticks and thighs. That's what we have here. So we're just gonna put everybody in the pool over here. And yeah, so just scoop this out. Ooh. Scoop the chicken out of there and put her over there. Oh yeah. I'm gonna pour this good broth right over in that other pan too. I'm not letting that go to waste. Oh yeah. That's what we're working with, y'all. All right, so it's done. It is finished. Just like Jesus' work on the cross.